A single displacement reaction is one of the four primary types of chemical reactions, and today I'm going to demonstrate a single displacement between copper chloride and zinc metal. This copper 1 chloride was a primary byproduct of an extraction of gold I did from computer parts a few months ago, so if any of you are interested in how I dispose of or recycle my chemical waste, this is a big way that I do it. Anyway, copper 1 chloride is only sparingly soluble in water, but the addition of some hydrochloric acid is going to let it fully dissolve. This turns the solution a bright blue color, which is pretty typical of copper 1 chloride solutions, and once the salt is fully dissolved, I simply submerge a zinc electrode into it and I wait a little while. As soon as the zinc is added, it turns dark and begins to bubble as the reaction takes place. A single displacement reaction generally always takes place between an element and a salt, where the anion on the salt moves from the less reactive element to the more reactive element. In this case, the chloride anion is moving from the less reactive copper to the more reactive zinc, forming copper metal and zinc chloride. Hydrogen gas is also produced in this process, which is why it bubbles so much. I've also included the general form of this reaction, as well as the reactivity series of major elements to show how different elements can be precipitated in this manner. You can pause if you'd like to study them more. I'm not going to leave them up here for very long. I like this reaction between copper chloride and zinc metal because it demonstrates very simply a reaction I've done many times on this channel, for example to isolate nickel, bromine, gold, silver, and many other things. This is also the primary reaction used in batteries, which makes it infinitely useful to our everyday life. In any case, eventually the solution is going to turn basically clear and the electrode is going to be completely covered in copper. The reason the solution turns clear is because the blue color came from the copper chloride and is replaced by zinc chloride, which is clear. And that's all I have for today. If you'd like to see more demonstrations on the basic types of chemical reactions, leave a comment and I'll be sure to do them. And as always, if you liked this and you'd like to see more science, consider giving me a follow.